Hi, Assalamualaikum. Dear students, in this video, we are going to learn about ELC151 speaking assessment, which is discussion and observation. We are going to look at what the assessment is all about and what is expected from you. For this assessment, students need to be in a group of 4 and students will do 2 tasks. Task A is called individual presentation and task B will be group discussion. So in task A, students need to present their ideas and opinion orally, and each of the students will be given 2 minutes. Therefore, in task A, the students will take turn to present their ideas. And then task B. In task B, students in their own group, they need to initiate the group discussion. They need to talk, they need to contribute ideas towards the group discussion, and each group will be given 10 minutes to do the discussion. Task A and Task B will be discussing on the same question. Now, this is how the students will sit during the assessment. It is very much similar to MUET speaking tests. So, students will be seated as such. You will be given label, candidate A, B, C, and D. So, you will be sitting facing each other, and then there will be one invigilator sitting over here. Remember, invigilator is not part of the group. Invigilator would not contribute to the group discussion. Therefore, while doing the discussion, please discuss among the group members only. This is another example of how the students will be seated during the assessment. As you can see over here, this lady is the invigilator, whereby this 1, 2, 3, and 4 girls will be the candidates, the students. All right, so we can assume that this is student A, student B, student C, and student D. All right, so during the test, you will be given the question paper and then you need to prepare. Now, let's take a look at the instruction. This will be the instruction for the assessment. So let's take a look at it one by one. Task A, individual presentation. So first of all, you need to study the stimulus or topic given. So remember, the question paper will be given to you on the day of the assessment. After that, you are given 2 minutes to prepare your responses. And then later, you are given 2 minutes to present. Meaning to say that once you have received the question paper, you need to read, you need to think about it, you need to prepare your responses. After 2 minutes, candidate A will start to do the individual presentation, and then student B, C, and lastly student D. You will take turn in task A. Now, this is very important. Listen to others while they are making their presentation and take down notes for the group discussion in task B. Well, this is very important because if you do not take down notes of what others are saying, you wouldn't know what to discuss in task B. Therefore, when others are presenting, please listen to what they have to say, jot down notes so that you can use it later during the group discussion. Okay? And then task B, group discussion. Once again, you are given 2 minutes to prepare your points or support or oppose the other candidate's view. Now, in this 2 minutes, you are preparing yourself for the group discussion. Remember, in group discussion, you don't have to take turn, meaning to say, starts with A and then B, C, and D. Anybody can start the discussion, anybody can stop the discussion. After you have listened to everyone, try to come up to a decision as to which of the 4 suggestions is the best. So after the discussion, you need to come up with a group decision. We will take a look at the question later. And lastly, your group is given 10 minutes for the discussion. So in these 10 minutes, all the 4 candidates need to contribute their ideas, need to express their opinion in doing the discussion. All right. And as you can see over here, task A and B will be carried out consecutively, meaning to say, we first will do task A and then task B. Now, this is an example of the question that you will get for the speaking assessment. So here you see, which of the following do you think is the greatest human weakness? Elaborate. So let's just say you are student A. So your point is desire for food. This is for student B, desire for money. This is for student C, desire for fame. And this is desire for power. So here you can see, boys and girls, you will be assigned with your own opinion, with your own idea over here. So your task is to elaborate on it. You don't get to choose. For instance, say, I like money, so I would like to choose number 2. No. So if you are candidate A, if you are the first candidate, you will get this one, second, third, and the last one. You see? So that's a bit of a challenge for you for the speaking assessment. So this is something that I have explained before. All right, individual presentation. This is the group discussion. So during the group discussion, you may support or oppose others' view. Let's just say you are candidate 1, you get the point of desire for food, but then again, you think, this point is, I don't really favor this point. I favor the second point, money. So during the discussion, you can support candidate B, number 2 over here, with his or her point, desire for money. So that is the discussion. All right. So at the end of the discussion, try to come up with a group decision, meaning to say, of all these 4, which one is the greatest human weakness? Come up with a group decision. All right. So I guess that is all for now, everybody. Thank you very much for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.